So self-esteem, it doesn't get more important for kids than nailing that self-esteem if there's an issue with self-esteem. What do you think?
Oh, I think this is something that often we don't give enough importance to anymore, that a child's self-esteem is so important. And we often talk about their grades, but we don't think so much about their self-confidence or their self-esteem. And as we've already said, if a child's self-esteem is going well, their grades will inevitably follow. And what we can really do to make sure that that child is feeling good about themselves, confident in their abilities, is to just make sure that they really do feel successful. They feel like a champion. They're meeting goals. They're showing themselves that they can actually complete something if they put their mind to it. It's pretty incredible. So if you solve the self-confidence, if you solve the self-esteem, then everything else just falls into place.
Yeah, absolutely. And often when children finish up with us, it's not just reflected in their grades, it's reflected in their confidence to try in class, it's reflected in their willingness to have a go, it's reflected in they don't need to act like a complete goose in class anymore because they're getting positive attention at school because, you know, life's more on track.
Or perhaps they're able to speak up in class where they weren't before. They're able to put their hand up and get attention for the things they actually need, which they weren't doing before.
Absolutely.